Cessna 2 Hotel, runway 19 left, line up await.
Left await, 0 Hotel.
1.1.
Alpha 7, 26 right, talk to ground, Delta 419 heavy.
Tower, good morning, United 2604, run the visual for 26 left.
2604 Las Vegas Tower, 16026, gust 30, runway 26 left, clear to land.
That's 3362, rolling out the Yankee, hold short on 19 left on Bravo.
Roll Yankee, short 19 left on Bravo, scale is 3362.
We got an alert 3, 19 left, show runway 19 left right now, close.
Runway 19 left, close, what's the matter?
Oh my god, the airplane that you just sent to line up and wait is upside down.
Right, Southwest 836.
Line 7 heavy is holding short of 19 left, confirmed.
23 Alpha 7, cross runway 26 right, traffic's holding in position, contact ground on point 1.
Alright, clear across 26 right, and ground on the other side, lead in 23. November, line 7. Tower Spirit Wings 906 with you.
Spirit 906, thanks, hold short on 19 left at November, run your numbers for 19 right.
Okay, short 19 left at November, run your numbers, Spirit Wings 906. 2nd Tower, Pecto 641, visual 19 right.
753 on November, cross runway 19 right, turn right on Fox, and hold short of Juliet.
Cross 19 right on November, right turn on Fox, hold short of Juliet, Delta 953.
753, thanks, plan runway 19 right will be your assigned runway. With 471, follow Delta ahead, cross runway 19 right, taxi runway 19 right.
Follow Delta, cross 19 right, taxi 19 right, Southwest 471.
Stripe 102, turn right at the high speed Tango, contact ground point 1.
Tango ground point 1, big stripe 102.
Code 641 Las Vegas Tower, wind 15022, gust 30, runway 19 right, clear to land.
Clear to land, 19 right.
7 heavy, make the right turn there on November and hold short on 19 right.
Line 7 heavy, make the right turn on November, hold short of 19 right.
2010 Las Vegas Tower, runway 26 right, line up and wait, traffic downfield.
26 right, line up and wait, check your flight 2010.
Please.
We'll hold short of Juliet for our sequence at Fox 90.
753, you'll be number 1, taxi to runway 19 right.
753 all the way up and hold short of 19 right, Delta.
Tower front skip line 775 is on the RNAV visual 19 right.
That's here 775, Las Vegas Tower, wind 16022, gust 30, runway 19 right, clear to land.
Clear to land 19.